electric shocks can be prevented. Now to understand this, consider a 3-pin plug in the switchboard in our house. Now what does a 3-pin plug contain? This has 3 sockets. The first one is a live socket. The second one is a neutral socket, and the slightly bigger one that you see on the top is the earthing socket. So we have these 3 sockets. Now earthing, it requires a earthing pit. Now this earthing pit is a hole which is dug in the ground, and a copper plate is fitted in this particular pit. Right. Now coming to fitting of this copper plate, consider an appliance whose outer body is made up of metal. Like for example, let's say we have this iron whose outer body is made up of metal. In this, firstly, we have these 2 wires, that is a live and neutral wire. Now when we have this live and neutral wire, electric iron has a high resistance coil connected to live and neutral wire. So this is a high resistance coil connected to live and neutral. But in addition to this, there's an extra wire which is connected to the metal part of the iron. Now what happens is, if I want to switch on the iron, what do I have to do? I have to take this plug and put it in the socket. So connections happen like this. One wire goes to live, the other wire goes to neutral, and generally the green wire goes to the earthing. Now what happens is, due to electrical fault, if current leaks to the metal body, what will happen if current leaks to the metal body? The person handling the device may get a very severe electric shock. But this does not happen. Let us see how. So let's see how earthing protects a person from getting a shock. What happens is, this particular third wire, earthing wire, is connected to that copper plate, and that actually is the most important part. So let's see how the protection actually occurs. As soon as the current goes and this current leaks into the metal body, from the metal body it goes into the third wire to the earthing socket, and it is absorbed by the copper plate. So this extra current is taken by the earth wire to the copper plate which is in the ground, and therefore a person touching does not get a shock. So this prevents a person from getting a shock. So students, this was earthing. Thank you.